Okay, Mops and Pops, this is for you. We're going to go through a little kind of how-to on how to move pictures from the computer onto your flash drive. Okay, so you want to take your flash drive, which mine is an adorable little turtle. Hello, how are you? Hello, okay. And I just pop his head off, just like so. Oh, he's hard to get. Alright, and it's a flash drive, so I'm going to plug that in to the computer and whatnot. Over here. Still working on it there. I have several USB thingies going. Okay. Now if this pops up, you can, if you want to, scroll down to where it says Open Folder to View Files and click OK, which will open up. See where it says Tina Turtle right here? So that's my flash drive. Okay. Basically, I want to kind of situate this screen to where it's small enough that I can move it around, and I'm going to line it up right next to my pictures. Okay. Another way you can do that is to close that and go down to Start. Remember the Start menu we were talking about? And you go up to My Computer. I'll pull that down so you can see it. I'm sorry about the lines, but that's how it turns out when you record a computer here. But right here it shows Tina Turtle, and I just double click on it and that opens it up at the same window. See where it says Tina Turtle? Okay. Now this is my flash drive, so we're going to look at it as this is just the actual flash drive bucket right here. Okay, we're talking about the two buckets. Okay. The other one is going to be for my pictures. I'm going to go down to the Start menu again. Wait for the big black line to pass. Okay, Start here and go to My Pictures. Okay, that pulls up my pictures here on the other side. And again, this screen, I can move it around and make it bigger or smaller. If it happens to be like a full screen like this, there's a little thing in the upper right hand corner, right there, two little windows where you can click it, and that'll make it kind of smaller. It'll make it to where you can move it around and you can resize it if you need to. Now I know we were talking about resizing over the phone and having a hard time with it. So all you have to do is take your mouse. You see my mouse moving around there. Wait till the black line passes. You want to hover over the edge till it shows two little arrows. See the little arrows? This one will move it, back and forth this way. If you get it up in the corner and it gives you like a diagonal, that makes you can make it bigger or smaller, kind of either way you want it to be. Alright, so in order to move pictures from My Pictures over to your flash drive, which is still right here. Mine's the turtle, yours is going to be racer stuff. So we're going to go right here and pick out the picture that we want. If it's just one, we're just going to grab it like this. I just clicked on it and I'm holding down my clicker. Wait for okay, and then I drag it over to this window and I let go, and it will pop up and it copied it right over to my flash drive. If there's more that I want to move over, let's say there's several of them, then I'll click on the one I want, and if I want all of them in a row, I'll just hold my shift button down, like go down to the bottom of whatever group of pictures I want to move, use my shift button, and then I'll click on the last one, and it didn't work that time. Well, anyway, so let's say you click on this picture and then you want to move this one and this one and this one. So we'll use Control. Control, just hold it down, click on any and all of the pictures that you want to select to move over. Okay, after you've selected them, you're just going to click on them and drag. Sorry about the lines there, but see how now they're all listed here on my flash drive. So now all the pictures, I've just moved them over from this one to that one. Now if you have a bunch of them, it may pop up with a window that says this might take a few minutes or whatever, and it'll let you know how long it'll take. At this point, I'm done. I've moved all the pictures from the flash drive. If I want to move them over from a flash drive onto the My Pictures, okay, so that's something we can do also. I was looking, I have a bunch of movies in here, so we'll just go with the ones we were just looking at. Okay, so you see this picture of us and Missy, And the way I'm looking at it here, you can go to View, and you can change it. Go down to Thumbnails. That'll show the little pictures like this. It helps it easier so you can identify. So if I want to take this one and move it back over here, I'll just click on it and drag it over here. Okay, it's telling me, do you want to replace it? Because I had actually copied it from here, so this picture already exists here. And no, don't really need to do that. Alright, that's basically the extent of it. And then once you're done, you can just close out your windows. Some people say you're supposed to click this, safely remove hardware. I don't think you can see that, it's down here. But others say don't do that. So I just pull it out. I'm very bad. But anyway, so at that point I closed it, and then I'll just take my little turtle and pull it right out of here. And now my turtle has the pictures on it that I moved. Sorry about all the trash there. Alright, well I hope this helps you. And if you have more questions or something, let me know, and I'll continue to make you some tutorials and some other things that may be helpful. Love ya!